Good morning students. Today we are going to study about how to compose and send an email. If we want to send an email to any other account, firstly we have to create an email. For that, click on Compose button on the Google screen. There will be displayed a new screen named New Message. It contains different components and first one is recipients. Recipients are the persons you are sending the email to or the receiver of the email. And the sender must type the email address of each recipient. There are three fields to send the email. First one is to field. Mostly we will add the recipient to the to field. Second one is CC field. CC stands for carbon copy. If we want to send a copy of email to any other person, then we have to type the email address of that person in CC field. The third field is BCC. It stands for blind carbon copy. It is also used to send a copy of the email to that person who is not letting the person know in to field. Its work is same as CC, and the only difference is that the email address in the BCC field is hidden. The second component of email screen is the subject. The subject is used to say the subject brief of the email, which gives the recipient an idea about the message. The third component is body. It is the actual text of the email. All the content of the email will be written here just like a normal letter. It starts with a greetings, one or more paragraphs of message, and a closing with our name. The fourth component is click on the formatting button. Formatting means to change the text style, font style, size and color of the text to make attractive our message. All these can be done by clicking the formatting button. Fifth component of our email screen is attachment. If we want to attach any file like an image of a document or links with our email, we can attach it by clicking on the attach file button. Sixth component is send. If we are satisfied with our message, we can send our email to the recipient by clicking the send option. We can compose an email by simply follow some steps, and they are: first one, in the to box, type the email address of the person we want to send the message. Second, in the add a subject line, type a brief description of the message. Third, type the message in the body area. Fourth, to attach a file, click on the attach files button and browse and select the file. Last, to send the email, click on send button. By default, a copy of the send message is stored in the send folder, which is located at the left side of the web page. Now we will study about how to reply and forward an email. We use emails to send messages to others. In the same way, we will be receiving emails from others. When we have received an email, firstly we will read that email, and after that we can do different actions about the email, such as if there is any attached files, we can open it, reply the message and forwarding that email to any other person. If we have to deal with the email, we can add a star as reminder to read it later. When we open an email, there will be displayed a reply option also, and it is used to replying the email just like a normal letter. When we select the reply option, the recipient's mail address automatically displayed in the to field, and there is no need to write it. After typing the reply message, click on the send button. We can also forward this email to any other person who is not one of the original recipient of that email. When we have finished the reading and sending of the email, we have to log out or sign out for the safety of our account. For this, click on the sign out button. Now we will study about net equity. the internet, just like the world we live in, has certain rules that people should follow. If someone tries to steal someone's car, he is breaking the law. If someone tries to steal important information from us using the internet, he is also breaking the law. So we can say that a special set of manners that need to be followed while using the internet is called netiquette. Netiquette is the combination of two words, that is, net refers to the internet and equity refers to good manners. So, whenever we communicate with others, we have to follow certain manners and rules. Netiquette includes some rules such as we should ensure that the grammar and spellings are correct in our email. Do not use all caps in our email or online messages because it is considered as shouting. To ensure that we are providing truthful information and do not use bad language. That is all for today. Thank you.